Now I want to take one more example where the circular radian angles have been involved. Question is, find the value of cot of minus 15 pi by 4. As usual, you know that first of all we must remove the sign negative from the angle, and for that it is made you clear that value of sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, and cos of minus theta is only cos theta, tan of minus theta is minus tan theta, cot of minus theta is minus cot theta, sec of minus theta is sec theta. You can remember and observe these two values. Cos of minus theta is cos theta, sec of minus theta is sec theta, whereas the last cosec of minus theta is taken as minus of cosec theta. So you can watch, you can notice, you can observe that value of the sine negative is minus sine theta, cos minus theta cos theta, tan minus theta is minus tan theta, cot minus theta is minus cot theta, but sec of minus theta is plus sec theta, cosec of minus theta is minus cosec theta. What do we find? We find that cos and sec remains positive, and remaining 4 trigonometric ratios, when negative of angle transferred, it becomes negative outside. If you apply cot of minus theta is minus cot theta in this problem which I am discussing with you, what you will notice? You will notice this result become minus of cot of 15 pi by 4. In the subtopic of the trigonometry, measurement of angles, I told you there are 3 types, 3 systems of measurements are there. One, the sexagesimal system where we measure the angle in the degrees. Second, the centesimal system where angles are measured in grades. And third one, very important, that is the circular system. And in the circular system, angles are measured in the radians. And where I told you the pi radian is known as equal to 180 degree. So if I want to convert this total circular system of the cot in the first sexagesimal system, I can convert by taking the relation pi radian is equals to 180 degree. We know that pi radian is equals to 180 degree, so definitely 15 pi by 4 radian will convert to 15 by 4 into 180 degree. If I say this value will get changed to equal to 675 degree. Now this problem is slowly coming in the shape like this. Cot of 15 pi by 4, negative is outside, can be written as minus of cot 675 degree, which I can say this is minus symbol as it is, minus sign as it is, cot of 90 into 7 plus 45. Cot of 90 into 7 plus 45. So I can say this is negative, and it is cot 90 into 7. As I told you, if it is a multiple is odd, 90 is odd multiple, then changes goes like this. Sine goes to cos and cos goes to sine. Tan goes to cot and cot goes to tan. Sec goes to cosec and cosec converts to sec. It is an odd multiple. So cot of 90 into 7, this value will definitely change in the tan, because it is a multiple odd. 90 is odd multiple. I have to check the sign in which quadrant it is falling. So to check the quadrant, it's very simple. It is a quadrant system. 19 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 19 to 7, then plus something is a falling quadrant number 4. In fourth quadrant, only cos and sec are positive, remaining sin, cos, tan, cot are negative. This is cot. So there are two things decided. This cot will get changed to tan and the sin will definitely change because cot in the fourth quadrant is not positive. So I can write it as minus of tan 45 degree. This minus minus become positive and this become tan of 45 degree. You know it very well that tan 45 is taken as what? Tan 45's answer is 1. But here one more way that someone can say, in place of writing it as 19 to 7 plus 45, 675's angle can also be written as, this is minus, this is cot, this is 90 into 8 minus 45. There is no harm. There is no one can challenge that why you have written it as 7 and 8. In the case of 7, you multiplied, then added 45. Here multiplied 8 and subtracted 45. It is the even multiple in 90. So cot will not change. Cot will remain cot. This will become minus of minus cot 45 degree, which become cot of 45 degree. The value of cot 45 is again 1. So any of the method, any of the way adding and subtracting you can apply, but the answer of the question, the result, the value of the angle in that particular trigonometric function will come the same. So ultimately we can find the values of the trigonometric angles in any of the form, whether it is in the radians or it is in the degrees, but our ultimate target is only to remember two things. First thing is that whether it is negative, then apply these results. Second thing, you need to remember their odd even multiple and the quadrant. With the help of this, you can achieve, you can find, you can calculate the value of any trigonometric angle of any measurement.